Today we finished the viva voce arguments, the oral arguments, so to speak, and questioning of the witnesses in the case brought by Mr. Cedric Liburd against Mr. What's his name? The Honorable Eugene Hamilton. We challenged him on the basis that even though he was returned by the returning officer, that at the point in time of the 15th of January 2010, when he was nominated, he was not qualified to be elected. To be qualified to be elected, you must be qualified to be nominated. We contend that in consequence of our finding out and his accepting that on nomination day, he was the holder of a permanent resident card in the United States of America, disqualified him from standing for elections within the provision of Section 28, subsection 1A of the Constitution, which prohibits anyone who by his own act and acknowledgement of any obedience, any adherence, any allegiance to a foreign power or state is not qualified to be elected to pass laws for the people of St. Christopher and Nevis. This is not the case of any two passports, as many people seem to believe, and as the other side appear to have believed. The Constitution doesn't recognize any two passports as a basis for disqualification. The Constitution recognizes that anyone and provides that if he has an acknowledgement of any allegiance, any adherence, any obedience to a foreign state or power, he cannot be qualified to be elected. If you are not qualified to be elected, you cannot not properly be nominated. And the rationale is clear. Certainly, one cannot have legislators in a country with divided loyalties. Your loyalty must be absolute to the patriotism of the country which you seek to govern. And if that is not openly and pellucidly transparent, we say you are prohibited from standing for elections to be elected as a legislator in this country. Your loyalties must not be diluted. Your obedience to the laws of St. Kitts must be absolute. Your adherence to the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis must be permanent and absolute. You cannot have one foot here and one foot in the United States enjoying the best of both worlds, and you pick and choose at your caprice, whim, or fancy, dependent on how fortunes run. Thank you very much.
Dr. Browne, do you think that